Well. This is your one and only favorite prophet Mboro. Just hold this, please. Put me on Facebook. Let me greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. Reduce Mona, Home of Wonders. We've got something very interesting to share with you. Re tlo share le wena tlisa kwano mme o tshelle le wena ya ngithelele nawe mama. What is we've got a very powerful testimony and a very powerful thing going on. Invite your family, lady, but it's quite interesting what is going to happen. We're on this journey. This journey chincha maphilo abantu. Impilo ezabantu ziyashintsha ngithathe amalanga ayi-49. Nabantu abathi uNkulunkulu ngifuna ukukubonga ngezinto ongenzele zona. Ungeke ukwazi ukufika la kumele uye khona ungazi ukuthi ubuyaphi noNkulunkulu. Siseyikhathini lezi abantu ba depressed, ba broken, bagula kuyafiwa left, right, corner and center. I'm sure nawe la uhlala ngakhona ziningi izinto ezivelayo, but akufanelanga sizinikele siziyekelele. uNkulunkulu khona nomusa wakhe ukhona. So what we are going to do, ngizokufundela le verse leli manje. Go Matthew chapter 10 verse 40. He who receives you receives me. He who receives me receives the one who sent me. How amuhela kile mu profeta abo anyone ya romwen ke morena Jesu wa amuhela yena. How amuhela yena amuhele wa murumile. And happy ere. He who receives a prophet in the name of a prophet shall receive a prophet's reward. And he who receives a righteous in the name of a righteous man shall receive a righteous man's reward. Now, when you receive me in your life as a prophet, utonala to mawzwamgela an information ne email. Udinga email address. Udinga inamba for ugotutumele SMS. So I am not God, but I have a message to bring from God into your life, to change your life. Now I've got a family here. Introduce yourself, my daughter.
My name is Emihle Grootboom.
Yes. Emihle Grootboom. Yes, Mama.
Nna la ka lebitso ke Jabulile Grootboom, mme wa Emihle.
Yeah. Me hona le ntho e ntle o mpolelletseng yona ka Emihle. Diqeto tsa ileng a di nka a le monyane, how her life was changed. Ke re tlo ba brief. More because you told me for tomorrow she will be 21.
Yes.
And Kamufa offered I thought about Home of Wonders. Because you are serving Home of Wonders. And you knelt down today giving thanks to God because enye into elemanza abantu ukukhohlwa lababuya khona nokufakaza. Revelation chapter 12 ere they overcame him. Satan bamhlotsi ka bopaki ba milomo ya bona le ka madi a morena Jesu. So by the words of their testimony. So when you declare what God has done. Now, I just want 7 people. who will agree with me and who are in desperate situation to see God in their lives. And who want to thank God for their lives. Who want to move from where they are to where they've never been. It's no longer about trending in numbers. Now from there, I want 9 people to represent 49 days. Yaba to ba etsang covenant le ntate Moporo. Le ba yentseng ya hore they walk with him in 49 days. They want to see change. Ba batla ho phunyeletsa, ba batla ho feta mone ba sa kgone ho feta teng. So me o ne a hopotsa dintho tseo a fitileng ho tsona ene le moradi ona ya fitileng ana le 7 years and now she's 21 years. Give me your story. Biscuit.
It's incredible. It's happening. And that moradi how no almost no fat and that really go Black Reef. Kina kwe that santsane o rekisa dikipa tse neng di na le sefahleho sa hao le tsa bana ne di teng tate. It was Sunday ntate tsa sleting o no o itse re eme line o no tsamaya ka gore like motho le motho o mo hlono fatsa ntate. Itse ha o fitla ho yena wa bolela ho tla ba star. So ya be lo go tshwara bo profeta bo ileng wa o beya ho yena ntate hore e tlo ba na lady jwang ha re bua tje ka sezulu ba thi ntombi nto e sa le ntombi nto ntate ya be lo hore he o tshwara mo a le 7 years up until now ka o sa no tla ba etsa 21 years ntate ke utlwa ke le motlotlo ke thabile le nna ka nako e boima mo bana ba imang ba le banyane ke ithola ke le lehlonono ha ka basadi ke le metsa dibi mara ha ke tsebe go modimo ratile jwang. I'm a single parent ke ipotsa gore ha ne le hore re a ba bona bana ba ima o na le ngwana wa yang brother ya ka o lekana le yena exactly ba shera kgwedi kwa yena kwa di 20 sana le bana ba ithuntate o thotse ngwana a le 18 years wa pele wa bitwa mthola 19 ke bua tse ona dipidisi tsa pelo because ya ntho ile mo etsa hore a tsena no dipidisi tsa pelo. So nna ke ithola ke le lehlonono go wa ka ke yo modimo o mpoloketse yena mantsono wa be wa profita ho yena ntate be le go o ntsa itshwareleditse.
Let me hear her because ukhuluma amazwi ukuthi I spoke the word. There is power in the word. Ha ke ra ha o rapela bua mantswe othi uNkulunkulu ayiphinde ekuhlulayo. Nothing is impossible with you. God, you are the God who answers prayers. God, you are the God who delivers. And you speak what must happen, and it happens. Remember, uNkulunkulu ukhulumile wathi kube khona ukhanya kwabakhona. Now, njengabazali, njengabaprofeti, uma sikhuluma, we must be careful on what we say, because it will have an impact. I don't remember you, me talking to you. I was shocked today. And come again. What is your name? Yes. Emihle, it's a wonderful experience. Uba nawe namhlanje kuzongam. I'll tell you, Emihle Grootboom, that time megane miye mingaki?
7 years, 2011.
2011. Yo, that was long. How many years back? It's 14 years back. Yes. Pelamina. Yeah. Now, 2011, ngakhuluma amazwi ngathi you are going to be a star. Ngitshele ngalawo ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba ngiyezwa kuthiwa uzewazigcina ngalawo mazwi. And you are not the first kid. Khona omunye ngikhuluma igama lakhe ngoba akasekho. Ngakhuluma naye izwi. Wayofunda wangabi into yokudlala abafana. Umama yakhuluma ukuthi indanga zakho zikuma drugs zenza abantwana omunye sikaze udla amapilisi wenhliziyo ngenxa ukuthi uthwele kanzima. Give me your story. How did those words impact you? What did I mean to you? Why did you take them so serious?
From that day vele ngathatha lawo mazwi ukuthi vele ngizoba yi-star inkanyezi. Mangiloku ngikhula, obviously there are a few challenges that you face mawusasentombazane.
Khulumela phezulu.
Lamazwi lawo ukuthi ngizoba inkanyezi ngawathatha. Futhi nama challenges amaningi mawuyintombazane uyawaface empilweni. So at some point ngesinye isikhathi I remember when I was doing grade 10 being ngathi ngafela term 1, term 2, then the third term like noma mama ngamtshela ukuthi mama mangifile kangaka akubonisa ukuthi ngizoya ku the other grade. Umama wangikhumbuza ukuthi ubaba usakhumbula washo ukuthi uzoba inkanyezi. So bambelela kulawo mazwi ayikho into ezokuhlula ngeke ukuhlulwe into engakhulumi. So ngazibona nami sengiphumelele kulelo banga leli grade 10 ngaze ngasiceda isikole.
Wow, wandlula grade 10.
Ngadlula ngathatha lawo mazwi. Mama
Ngokuthatha lawo mazwi so give up. Wow.
Yeah. Angisizile kakhulu.
Today we're not going to be too much. Kunamazwi umama wakhuluma ukuthi, "Hey mama, angazi wena ungibhekile lapho. Ubaba okuzalayo, umama okuzalayo ukutshela ukuthi rubbish. You'll never amount to anything. Ulapho ubaba wakho washona wakuphika wakulahla. You are in a situation where you don't know where they are going or coming. The word of the prophet turned her to stand ufune umsebenzi. You've been looking for a job, you're giving up. You tried this business, you tried that business, it failed. Now, if a 7-year-old could take the word, there are millions of people who touch the screen of the television, but in the screens of TV in Koloma, speakers say radio, Babel. That's why I'm celebrated all over the world. I'm not famous, I'm celebrated. Now, when you want to come up with emihle. Join me kulo hambo. Mfuna abantu abawu7 send me WhatsApp 065 842 2074. Send me WhatsApp. Call me. Mfone 065 842 2074. If uzongibheka after this. Because into enhle ngeFacebook the next day abantu bayabona. Call the office 010 023 1621. Now, namhlanje it marks the day mesiboshiwe last year. Ngendlela engekho emthethweni. Ngishayiwe. Imoto zami zophuliwe. Inkonzo bayishisa ngalelanga leli. Ngeyi7, ngeyi6. Ngachajwa after 12. Ngivalelwe ngeyi5. after 3, after 4. Kunokuthi ngidwele on revenge and izinto ezenzeka ngibona umusa amandla wezwi elithi masibiza kuye ababiza kuye bayokusindiswa ngasinda elithi mawuhamba ngaphakathi komlilo awukushisa mulokhu ibohlabula elithi when you cross through the rivers they will not take you away. That's what happened to you, my daughter. You've been through a lot. So today we even went to the police station in Katlehong North where the meeting was held for the burning of the church. We are giving thanks. Now, if you receive me, you receive him. If you receive him, you receive the one who said. So the heaven, the armies of God, the angels of God, the glory of God goes with me. Now this young woman accepted me and took my words, and my words kept. The word of a person is a person. The word of God is God. I was telling my grandchildren, the eldest one among the boys, when I go, is asking, are you coming back? When? Whatever, because Ubena fear I might be arrested again or I might die because she lost her mother. Her father was arrested with me for 40 days. Hire 9 o'clock, you must go and sleep. There will be time when Milo waka Otawa ofele. But my words, just like this young woman, ha feila dinto di mo fetohela. Anka mantsware ntate wa ka wa moya ntate mo profeta o itse you are a star. You're going to rise and overcome situations. Di vuvuzela tsa mo Mr. Kamolekam. Yeah. Abanye nabathola amantombazana sidlule sintweni. Zibagijima phezulu kwazo kanti sidlule sintweni ziba Mr. zingena ngapha nangapha wena wandlula njalo siyanqoba uyayibona. So you took those words and they kept you. And tomorrow ngithe uze namhlanje because tonight after 1 second after 12 you'll be 21. So that you can have a blessing of a father. Because you do have a father. A biological father. How is your relationship with your father?
It's not really,
My
my relationship with my father, it's not really that strong. Cause
Laura, my baby.
the relationship with my father is not really that strong because he left when I was 16 or 15, I can't remember. So after he left, he didn't just call us, he just left. So there isn't any much attachment with me and him.
Did you ask him why? Did you try to look for him?
No. Even when he was with us, our relationship as a family wasn't that good.
You can drink a bit.
Yes.
Just to yeah. So maybe yeah, it's one of those things. Did you pour sugar?
Yes.
Yeah. So hey. So the politics of mme le ntate bana le sedikeno mme a how poison a chimney
Nah, not really.
So there is no excuse why Tamelo besboto. So if your biological father, as a honor, God gave you a spiritual father and that it's funny, I'm so overwhelmed. Hore, there are children there who are women today. They were transformed by my words. That's why ngandlula somewhere asemngadi abantwana bamantombazana muporofita bathi po hayi bo. And I asked myself, these kids, I don't know them. They made a song there and then. What did my life mean to you? What did my words mean to you? Then and now.
Before those words, I didn't really understand what they meant until I had some circumstances and challenges in life, and I had to remember those words, and they made me grow to be a disciplined child. And not to say that I'm perfect, but I did have some mistakes as I grew older. And yeah, those words kept me to be who I am today.
Who are you today?
I'd say I'm still figuring myself out in growing, and I'd say ukuzigcina njengentombazane. It's rare, especially when you're on your 20s or turning 21. So noma mama uyisifiso sakhe sokuthi vela ngibone ngisazigcinile, so lawo magama lawa angenza ukuthi ngibe into engiyo namhlanje.
Yeah, I am touched. You know, izinto ezinje, they motivate me. They build me to stay on. And the things that you don't know what you mean. You know, I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. And sizokhuluma futhi. Tomorrow I'm going to personally buy you a cake. And you know, I'm moved. Sizoyilighta, silayite ikhandlela silifake ngaphakathi, and bless you. And this is grace. You speak one word, andlule ezintweni ezingaka. And the Father living, banale mathata le mme se batleng re kene ona jwale. But bomme ha nna le mathata le bontate re na le mathata re bomme. Re ska kenyang bana. Your father is still your father. Your mother is still your mother. One day you'll understand why he left, but still, he still needs to maintain that relationship with you. Because you are not your mother. And God needs to heal you from that hurt. I'm sure it hurts you. How does it make you feel?
It makes me feel sad sometimes, because sometimes nokuzibuza ukuthi why ahambile, and at some point unokubona ukuthi if bekakhona maybe bozoba ngcono kwezinye izinto ezenzakalayo, ama challenges financially, so and just in general nje empilweni.
Yeah, that is that. Me. Ubuyile ore ukilo ba le dintho tse ngata tse ne di etsa le yena ngwana, all that.
Ntate wa hae.
Yes.
Ntate. Emhle ke le twins ntate. Yeah, Emhle, she's a fighter because
Kile EFF.
Yes, ntate.
Fight. I know can tell into remember EFF. Oh, not real. Oh, it's just a fighter. All right.
Yes, ntate. Yeah, ntate o hlahile ka 7 months.
Oh.
So ni le ngwanyana le moshemane so ka luza moshemane he ntate. Yena ya ba survive. I was surviving ntho tse ngata emihle di meningitis ntate. Yeah.
And the meningitis doesn't high fall easy, eh?
Ntate ka modimo. Ntate modimo teng ka ntate. Yeah, ntate be lo he I'm losing le twins la hae yena a survivor. Okay, a hola ntate itse ke gola ana le bo 1 couple months.
Can you call me some voice? Yes.
Ntse re dula le ntate wa hae ntate. Re ntse re le kaofela. Ine le motho wa dingaka, ke motho o sebedisang meriana ntate jwalo ka ne ke tjho. Ntho ile ya mmakatsa ha emihlana le bo 1 a re ya le bitleng la twins la hae. Mangwana ha yona le teng o robatsa ngwana o dima le bitla ba tshisa mpepha mo la ntate.
Aroba no dima le bitla, she slept on top of the grave.
Ba mo theta dima le bitla. Ngwana. Ba mo tshiste mpepho. A ke tsebe o na ntse le mqombothinyana ka ga ntwe pizza ya Sotho yen. Ba timbiza ka Sotho. Hai ntate ha re le tseleng re tsamaya mangwana wa hae o honna ene lo mntwana kuzomela makaqala milisa uthenga amatankral uhambisele nalo o ahlokafetseng yanong ha re le tseleng ga kuwa ka ntho ke ga nna ngeke.
So they are tying her together with the dead one.
Yes ntate. Hai bila ntshepisa go tla nshapa ka mpama mangwana wa hae ke re ai ungamanong shaya mina ngeke ngiyenze ke lento esho ngeke nongize mathuneni hai ntate yaba mo ntate wa hae nakwa ntse di ya sa hlapisa ngwana jwanong ka mobu ke a botsa mobu o kwaeng ya ngithi wena akholela kulezi zinto zesintu ngitshelo umunye umama ke tsebe ke mama
amhlabisa mobu wami
wa lebihla ntate
lebihla la
ngwanolo a fitileng.
Asimise lapho. Were you aware of these things?
No, I wasn't.
Khani uzizwa manje?
Umama uke wangitshela before.
Oh, mongekho aware kudala uzizwe sozizwa ngomama.
Masengimdala ngichazela.
Zilethani kuwe?
Kumangaza like geza inhlabathi yomuntu osengake angekho emhlabeni mina ngiphila didn't make sense.
So waba no suspicion ubuloyo or what did you think? Did you think they were blessing you, protecting you, or they were what was on your mind?
I had no idea. Even today I don't know what to say.
At least let's sisebancane ziningi izinto ezenziwe. Are you going through the same situation? That's why impilo yakho bona iboshiwe yaqalwa esemncane ungazi. Do I have any WhatsApp? Inbox me. WhatsApp me. 065-842-2074. Hamba nami kulo hamba. Ezinye izinto wazenzwa usemncane. Ezinye wazenzwa nongena emshadweni. Masikhuluma about turning the tide to reverse izinto, kushintsha izinto. And umamakho uyacleana na Home of Wonders. Unikela ngezandla zakhe. Unakekela no grain. She's taking care of my mother. So, partnership. Mawungena imali eningi yokulala eHome of Wonders. Kulala eHome of Wonders ngale kule ndawo le ngale is 2,500. I-one-on-one, where you spend time no babombora khuluma nakulalela azahambe nawe ibanga elide akumonitora. It's a seed of 10,000 rand. Kuna leti face to face with Prophet Mboro in one room with about 12 people or 15 people an hour, where nikhuluma nje ngikhulume ngisho izwi ngidile naleso simo abantu batshala isidi 1,500. If kuzoba khona music, dance, prayer, praise and worship, and the word and laying on of hands, about 12 to 15, see, limit up to that, kuba 2,500. Ngoba labantu abadlala ama instruments, abantu abacula fanele kubhadalwe. Le ndawo le yabhadalwa. Now, Matthew chapter 10 verse 22, it is, whoever gives one of these little ones only a cup of cold water in my name of a disciple, surely I say to you, he shall by no means lose no reward. Do I have any comments? I want to see your comments. If any, give me a comment. Give a cup of cold water in the name of a disciple. So mangloku ngikhuleka yenza that cup of cold water. Ukuthi ngithenge lamanzi esephithi esiphuzile and these cakes and food. Asikadli ngoba mesibhizi. Ngigcoke kanje imali lento ngigcokile. Uyangibona ukuthi ngihot kanjani unobaba oshisayo. A heat wave. And it is partnership. That is why lo hambo lolwe 49 days, this 49 days journey, is 3,000 rands. This Sunday, huwa marakwa Jericho. The walls are falling. The walls are falling. Bheka uthathe baba kwakho bakubeka phezu kwethuna lisetshenziswe kuze kuthathwe nomhlaba. They placed them on a grave of her late twin brother. The father took the soil from the grave and washed her with it. Another father came from God and said, you are a star. You're going to win, you're going to conquer, you're going to overcome, you're going to be above. And when you were failing, your mother brought that, you remembered, then you interpreted it as the Spirit led you. That word pulled you. I'm not going to say your father was bewitching you. I don't know. Parents try different things to help their children. Abanye bathwala ngabantwana babo, abanye bafuna indlela to help you le akhuliswe ngayo. I need to pray to God and find out. And if I find out, I will see some of the things you can't tell the people because ungabaxabanisa. I don't want to bring a message that will make you hate your father for the rest of your life. After all, he's still your dad. Mama, ungitshele something ukuthi you've got a seed you wanted to plant. Here is a cut. I mean, here is a thing. I don't know if it can reflect. Oh, yeah. Show them there. Yeah. Oh, I'm not the one who's operating these machines. Do you see? She is about to swipe. Almost when that's a swiper, we don't handle cash because we don't want to shoot criminals who are coming for cash. So we swipe. What did you have in mind about this? Let me just hold the cake again.
Ntate ke itse le nna jwalo ka mosadi wa mohlolohadi a ileng a neela ka seo a neng a kore e ne le ho a setseng ka hona ntate le nna ke ra kgweding ena ntate ke tla lapa ntate wa ka e se ntho e kgolo ho ya ka mo ne ke fesa ke lakatsa ka teng ntate empa le nna ke re e re ke nehele ka ho ntate mpho ha e halale hoba e tswa botebong ba pelo ya ka ntate le nna ke re marako e bang a ho nna le ho yena ngwana wa ka hore sala qeta sekolo ka 2023 ntate ha o nkotswa le nna o la applyela le ntona ke NSFAS ne se no bontsha hore ka re ho tla loka ntate tseleng ha ke tse ho la etsalang le 350 e tholwang ke bana ba sa sebetseng o la zama o la ethola waya azanga sa ethola o dutse fela so le nna ha o monate moyeng wa ka ke bona je ka re bophelo ba rona bo faseile ntate ho fihle yona ntho hore a ke tsebe mo bua le bitla o la etsang bophelong ba ngwanaka ntho tse ne di etswa ke ntate wa hae ke kopa ntate modimo go tse a lokise pelo ya ka ka gore ntate ha ke ke na le ho ba
Let's present that.
but
Limits and that.
ha ke batlo ho tshwarella ho yena ntate se ke bua fela dintho tse bohloko tse bang o mfitisitse ho tsona so le nna ke re marako ha ke a o bophelong ba ka le bana ba ka ntate ke le ka re ke tla nehela ka 1,000 rand ntate ke tla swipe hona jwale
That's swipe 1,000 rand. And God is gracious. You can put it in. You can write the 1,000 rands, 1,000.
okay
Happy. Yeah. Yabona naye is a 1,000 rand. Yabona. Aizme. Yeah, it's a 1,000 rand. Yeah, it's a 1,000 rand. Yeah, what? Now it enter the pin in there. We are, when you ask from God, when you give thanks to God, you sow. Bacon ena, ki beke erering, a transaction approved. Once a month. You can partner with me. Abantu nabayenyangeni bakhipha imali ngokeza print. Aw, hey ngiyaqala we umkethisi sentwengu ngiyaqala we operator this thing. Normally they do it. Yeah, man. Hey. Now, receipt. What I'm going to do, my daughter, I'm going to pray with you as a spiritual father. Tomorrow, I'm going to personally buy you a cake. We're going to celebrate your day. We're going to worship. Maybe I'll tell you. Eating Nkosi Jesu tonight. At the eve of my 21st, I rededicate my life to you. You are the father to the fatherless.
You are the father to the fatherless.
You are the defender of the weak.
You are the defender of the weak.
When I was placed on that grave,
Where I was placed on that grave,
the grave I was placed upon,
the grave I was placed upon,
I move away.
I move away.
Lobo bumnyama,
Lobo bumnyama,
ngabekwa ubaba wami,
ngabekwa ubaba wami,
ngikhiphe namhlanje.
ngikhiphe namhlanje.
Gazi lakho Jesu
Gazi lakho Jesu,
alingihlanze.
alingihlanze.
It's never too late.
It's never too late.
I'm a star.
I'm a star.
I'm a daughter of God.
I'm a daughter of God.
I'm a daughter of Ndademuboro.
I'm a daughter of
My brokenness,
my brokenness.
you are healing me.
You are healing me.
Is the mic, will the mic reach it? Just set it on. You are healing me, Jesus.
You are healing me, Jesus.
You are setting me free.
You are setting me free.
Now I'm going to, yes. Oh, okay. Thank you, Jesus. Lord, I cleanse it, because it reaches to the highest mountain, and it flows to the lowest valley. Oh, the blood that gave me strength from day to day, it will never lose its power. Lord, I release the blessing on this water. I flush all the bad lucks. If you are watching me, you've got issues, get these anointed items. With a seed you sow of 350 rands, I will send you amanzi angiwablessile as a point of contact. Ko romelele letswai le ke le blessitseng, ko romelele kerese e ke blessitseng. Di tliseng kwana ka speed. O hlape ka tsona. As I release the power and the anointing. God has cleansed you. And God has purified you. Jesus is Lord. What's the name of your late brother?
Leabona.
Leabona or Leabon? Leabona. Like Lisho. Okapo Leabona.
Bane ba re le bona e jwang e tsole le gathi
oh le bona leihlo la morena leihlo la Jehova le bona give me I'm going to give you, I don't give this normally. I'm going to give you this. You're going to light it tonight. Either 5 to 12. Unfortunately, 5 to 12 set the alarm. And you're going to be spraying. And tell Morena Jesu, where is your light? You are fighting. Leabona more lane. Leabona. Wherever you are.
Wherever you are.
I detach myself from you. Rest
in
the presence of God.
In the presence of God.
How no vas tutsela sabathu. Suke emzimbeni wami. You know bayakumbathisa umuntu ofile. uhambe naye kufana noma ungabulala umuntu ngesizulu bayahamba bayele nangesitsonga or sishangane basebenze lelo thuna lelo umuntu olimazeleyo umuntu orosolwayo agule afe. You are in that situation. This is your day. Sizokhuluma ngebirthday yakho. Phuza mntanami. I will say this is like the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. I will enter, all right, his gates with thanksgiving in my heart. I will enter his courts with praise. I will say this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. Stretch your hands towards my hand. Do I have 7 people? Do I have 9 people? Send me WhatsApp and say, Prophet Mbora, I'm one of those. Those chains of death around you, of darkness around you. Get into a covenant with me. 065-842-2074. Sow the seed of 70 rands. Uthathe lenkemba kamoya, this kettle. We will Uber it to you indonga ziyawa this Sunday. Come and get it. This is where light on Sunday, 11 o'clock. The account number appears on the screen. So again, the name of the account is Church Mandate. Church Mandate. The name of the bank is FNB, First National Bank. The branch is Albertine 210827. The account number is 630-5547-053. We are Puma namhlanje. I will say this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. Jesus has transformed you. Visit us at Incredible Happenings Church. Google Incredible Happenings Church. 9 o'clock. Uzekon. 11 until 12:30. See live on Facebook. No one say Puma. Our normal church is 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, about Facebook. We finish it there. 1 o'clock we are going. You want to do face-to-face with Prophet Mbora? You can't attend the whole service. You can join me at 8:30 to 9:30. From this Sunday, 10. August. Thank you for watching me. And you want to like this, my daughter. And your life will never be the same. Fast. Are you overwhelmed?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. I'm your spiritual father. It is the right thing that you're doing. And focus in God. But thank God for your life.
Yes.
You are a star. You may not have the money that you wanted. You may not having a diploma or degree that you wanted. But they are going nowhere. Thank God for your health. Thank God for the mother you have. Thank God for the faith you have in God. Faith is a gift. Just to know God. Namhlazana usuka kulo mhlaba, heaven is your home. We're not going to all have own fancy houses, fancy cars. Let's not lie to each other. Abanye bazohamba. Indaba isekugcineni. When your life ends, did you know Jesus? Did you know God? So tomorrow I'll be with her in the morning to celebrate the birthday. And thank you for watching. May God bless you. Boom.